Frustrations, anxieties, burnout, work pressure, deadlines, poor leadership are very common nowadays, which is definitely affecting our physical and mental health well being and eventually leads to a lot of depression, suicide cases as well, and definitely impact our work performance. Nowadays, we're just concerned with the degrees or certification or getting some kind of technical skills. But we forget that to implement those technical skills, we do require human skills, which we call a soft skills. And to deal with that, I have written a book on soft skills for the trainer published by Sultan Chand and Sons. And this book covers wide range of human skills like communication, stress management, problem solving, conflict resolution, and time management. And it also provides elements of training methodology to conduct soft skills training programs in different institutions, including schools, colleges, or at workplaces. Now, I would request our teachers, managers, students, and employers to order your copy now. Soft Skills for the Trainers, published by Sultan Chand and Sons. Thank you.